AWS S3, Hands-on Demo. Step 1. Create your first S3 bucket. Sign into the AWS Management Console and open the Amazon S3 console at https://console.aws.amazon.com/s3/. In the left navigation pane, choose Buckets. Choose Create Bucket. The Create Bucket page opens. For bucket name, enter a name for your bucket. For region, choose the AWS region where you want the bucket to reside. To minimize latency and costs and address regulatory requirements, choose a region close to you. Objects stored in a region never leave that region unless you explicitly transfer them to another region. Under Object Ownership, to disable or enable ACLs and control ownership of objects uploaded in your bucket, choose one of the following settings. Under Block Public Access Settings for this bucket, choose the Block Public Access settings that you want to apply to the bucket. Optional, under Bucket Versioning, you can choose if you wish to keep variants of objects in your bucket. Optional, under Tags, you can choose to add tags to your bucket. Tags are key value pairs used to categorize storage. To add a bucket tag, enter a key and optionally a value and choose Add Tag. Under Default Encryption, choose Server-Side Encryption with Amazon S3 Managed Keys, SSE S3. To configure default encryption, under Encryption Type, choose one of the following. Choose Create Bucket. Step 2. Upload an object to your bucket. After creating a bucket in Amazon S3, you're ready to upload an object to the bucket. An object can be any kind of file, a text file, a photo, a video, and so on. To upload an object to a bucket, open the Amazon S3 console at https://console.aws.amazon.com/s3/. In the buckets list, choose the name of the bucket that you want to upload your object to. On the Objects tab for your bucket, choose Upload. Under Files and Folders, choose Add Files. Choose a file to upload, and then choose Open. Choose Upload. You've successfully uploaded an object to your bucket. Step 3. Download an object. After you upload an object to a bucket, you can view information about your object and download the object to your local computer. To download an object from an S3 bucket, sign into the AWS Management Console and open the Amazon S3 console at https://console.aws.amazon.com/s3/. In the buckets list, choose the name of the bucket that you want to download an object from. You can download an object from an S3 bucket in any of the following ways. Select the checkbox next to the object, and choose Download. If you want to download the object to a specific folder, on the Actions menu, choose Download As. If you want to download a specific version of the object, turn on Show Versions, located next to the search box. Select the checkbox next to the version of the object that you want, and choose Download. If you want to download the object to a specific folder, on the Actions menu, choose Download As. You've successfully downloaded your object. Step 4. Copy your object to a folder. You've already added an object to a bucket and downloaded the object. Now, you create a folder and copy the object and paste it into the folder. To copy an object to a folder. In the buckets list, choose your bucket name. Choose Create Folder and configure a new folder. Enter a folder name, for example, Favorite Pics. For the folder encryption setting, choose Disable. Choose Save. Navigate to the Amazon S3 bucket or folder that contains the objects that you want to copy. Select the checkbox to the left of the names of the objects that you want to copy. Choose Actions and choose Copy from the list of options that appears. Alternatively, choose Copy from the options in the upper right. Choose the destination folder. Choose Browse S3. Choose the option button to the left of the folder name. To navigate into a folder and choose a subfolder as your destination, choose the folder name. Choose Destination. The path to your destination folder appears in the destination box. In Destination, you can alternately enter your destination path, for example, S3://bucket name/folder name/. In the bottom right, choose Copy. Amazon S3 copies your objects to the destination folder. Step 5. Delete your objects in bucket. When you no longer need an object or a bucket, we recommend that you delete them to prevent further charges. If you completed this getting started walkthrough as a learning exercise, and you don't plan to use your bucket or objects, we recommend that you delete your bucket and objects so that charges no longer accrue. Before you delete your bucket, empty the bucket or delete the objects in the bucket. After you delete your objects in bucket, they are no longer available. If you want to continue to use the same bucket name, we recommend that you delete the objects or empty the bucket, but don't delete the bucket. After you delete a bucket, the name becomes available to reuse. However, another AWS account might create a bucket with the same name before you have a chance to reuse it. Thanks for watching.